Hi, I'm Mahalakshmi. Today we are going to make rose and grape cream gel. This cream gel mainly consists of grape glycerite, hibiscus glycerite and rose infused almond oil. To add some soothing benefits, I'll be adding rose water and Allantoin. Hibiscus has some great anti-aging properties. It helps in even skin tone. It has a lot of antioxidants and also keeps skin hydrated. Black grapes consists of vitamin C, which helps in rejuvenation of skin cells. Rose water and allantoin helps in skin soothing and healing skin. Almond oil is a lightweight moisturizing oil which can be used for people who are sensitive to acne. In this cream gel, I'll be using Sepimax Zen, which is a specialized polymer and is useful in making cream gels without an emulsion or an emulsifier. Sepimax Zen supports 25% of oils with a gum added, but it is generally recommended to use less than 10% of oils to have a good texture and feel. I'm using my Bubji and Good Glove Face Serum daily twice and this cream gel in the night. I see some improvement in my acne scars. It is not a medicine replacement, but having a serum and moisturizer which is suitable to your skin helps in reducing the acne and blemishes. To make this cream gel, we would need Hibiscus Glycerite of 0.6 grams and Grape Glycerite of 0.6 gram. I'm using 4% glycerin in this cream gel. If you want to know how to make these glycerites and what are the instructions, please check my blog in the description box. The next one is Rose Geranium Hydrosol of 26.58 grams. I'll be making a 30-gram batch today. The next one is Allantoin of 0.15 gram. Check my description box for the ingredient supplier list and links. For the oil phase, I'll be using rose infused almond oil of 1.2 gram, which is 4%. I'll be adding Sepimax Zen of 0.6 grams, which is 2%, to make a cream gel. When only water ingredients are used, Sepimax Zen makes clear gels. I'll mix Sepimax Zen in oil thoroughly without forming lumps. I'll heat the water phase on the double boiler until the allantoin dissolves completely. I'm pouring the heated water phase into the oil phase and stir it continuously. I'll be using a coffee frother to mix it properly. I'll mix it continuously. You can see the jelly consistency. I'll add the preservative of 0.24 grams. I'm using Geogard ECT. .03 grams of vitamin E. Stir after adding vitamin E and preservative and pour it into a container. You can see the jelly creamy consistency. And that's how I made rose and grape cream gel. For a quick demo, I'll show it on my hands. I'll massage it gently. It takes some time to absorb but leaves skin hydrated. After few seconds, you can see that it has absorbed completely and has a smooth feel. If you try this, do let me know how it came out.